Hello friends, once again welcome in third chapter of statistics of standard 11. We have already learned all the methods of mean. Now it's turn for location measures of average. Location measures means in this we have to find median, then quartiles, deciles and percentiles. Median will be denoted by M and median will be located exactly at 50% of the data or at exactly middle of the data. That's why if we are starting from 0%, we will end at 100%, and then in exactly middle of the data median will be there. Okay, so you have already learned about median in standard 10th. In standard 11th, quartiles will be added, then deciles will be added and percentiles will be added. In median, we have to find the observation which is exactly middle in the data. Okay. In quartiles, there will be 4 parts. If we are starting from 0 and we will end at 100%, then there will be 4 parts of that: 1, 2, 3 and then 4. So for that, at 25%, Q1 means first quartile will be located. At 50%, Q2 means second quartile will be located, and Q3 will be located at 75%. Okay, it means Q2 will be at 50% and at 50% M will be there, so Q2 will be known as median also. Now for deciles, there will be 10 part of the data, and for percentiles there will 100 parts of the data. That we will discuss later on. Now today we will go for median. Median is the observation which is exactly in the middle of the data. Now if 5, 10 and 15, if there are 3 observations, 5, 10 and 15, which is in exactly middle? 10. So we can say median M is equal to 10. Suppose the observations are like this: 8, 4 and 6. Now what will be the value of N, or what will median? Then we cannot say 4 is median, because of before finding median it is compulsory to arrange them. So the lowest value is 4, then 6 and then 8. First of all, we have to arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, so the lowest value will be at first, then after the value will increase, and at last the highest value will be there. And now what value is exactly in the middle? It is 6. So M is equal to 6. So it is compulsory to arrange the observation in ascending order to find out all of them. Because of it is location measures of average, it will show us the location of the observation. Okay, now we will go for a question. Just a minute. As per standard 10th, the formula was what? N plus 1 upon 2 observation. Okay. Thirty, 35, 26, 28, 40, 45, 28, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Suppose the observations are given like this and we have to find median. Then, as per our first step, we have to arrange them in ascending order. So, first value will be the lowest one. It is 26. We will start with 26. Then the higher value than 26 is 28. But 28 is coming for 2 times. So once again 28. Then the next bigger value than 28 is 30. Then 35, 40, and at last 45. Now, median. The formula for median, M is equal to N plus 1 upon 2. Observation. N means number of observation. Remember this, it is ungrouped data. So number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N is equal to 7. So 7 plus 1 upon 2. Observation is equal to 8 upon 2 is equal to 4th observation. Now, which is the 4th observation? So, after arranging them, number 1, 2, 3 and 4, therefore M is equal to 4th observation, it is 30. Okay. Now M will be exactly in middle of the observations. So there are 7 observations. Which observation will be in exactly middle? So we will remove one by one. We will remove the observation from both the side, both ends. 26, 45 will be removed. 28 and 40 will be removed. 28 and 35 will be removed. Now we have 30. So 30 is exactly in between the data, or 30 is exactly the middle observation of the given all observations. So it will consider as median. if number of observations are given in odd numbers, we have 7 observations here, then we will get a perfect value of observation. Now another question. Find median from the observations 29, 45, 60, 52, 69, 35, 42, 48, 55, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we have 10 observations here. Therefore, n is equal to 10. Now we will arrange them in ascending order. So the lowest value is 29. 29. Then 35. After 35, 40 will be there. Then 42. 45, then 48, next is 52, 55, 60 and 69. We have taken all the observation once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now for median the formula is m is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 observation. Now we have total 10 observation plus 1, so 10 plus 1 divided by 2 observation is equal to 11 upon 2, we can say 5.5 observation. So in this case median will not exactly in this. We have to consider 5.5th observation as median. Now this is first, second, third, fourth, this is fifth observation and this is sixth observation. So 5.5 will be in exactly between these two. So the value of median will be in between 45 to 48. The value of median will be between 45 to 48. Now m is equal to fifth observation plus sixth observation divided by 2. 5.5 is exactly in between what? 5 and 6. So our median will exactly between what? Fifth observation and sixth observation. So it is the first method to find out median by fifth observation plus sixth observation divided by 2. Fifth observation is 45. Our sixth observation is 48, and now it will be divided by 2. Therefore, it is 45 plus 48. The answer will be 93. 45 plus 48 is equal to 93 divided by 2. Therefore, answer of median is 46.5. Answer of median is 46.5. Now, if we will go for another method, then we got m is equal to 5.5th observation. Now 5.5th observation, it will in between what? Fifth observation and sixth observation. Then we will consider the value of fifth observation plus, here we have to consider 5.5th observation. We have already taken fifth observation. Now what remain? 0.5 remain. So fifth observation plus 0.5 into 5.5 will be in between what? Fifth and sixth observation. So sixth observation minus fifth observation. 5.5th observation will be in between which observations? Fifth observation and sixth observation. So first of all we will consider the entire value of fifth observation. Then in this we have to add what? We have to add the remaining value, means 0.5, into sixth observation minus fifth observation. It is the difference of these two observations. Now fifth observation, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, it is 45 plus 0.5 as it is. Sixth observation, it is 48 and minus fifth observation, it is 45, is equal to 45 plus 0.5 into 48 minus 45, 3, is equal to 45 plus 0.5 into 3, it is 1.5. Therefore median is equal to 45 plus 1.5, it is 46.5. Okay, by both the method you will get the same answer. Now another question. Now next question. The values given are 3/8, then 1 and 1/8, then 3 and 1/4, then 0, -1 and 2. Okay, now for this question 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, there are 6 observations. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So n is equal to 6. First of all, as per our rule, we have to arrange them in ascending order. But before that, we will simplify this. 3 upon 8. It is little bit complicated, but now we have calculator. So 3 divided by 8, 3 divided by 8, it is 0.375. It is 0.375. Now 1 and 1/8. So 8 into 1, 8 plus 1, 9 divided by 8. The value of 1 and 1 upon 8. It does mean 1 and 1 upon 8 is equal to 8 into 8, 8 into 1, 8 plus 1 divided by 8, it is 9 upon 8. So 9 upon 8 is equal to 1.125. So second value is 1.125. Then 3 and 1 by 4. So 3 into 4, 12 plus 1 divided by 4. 3 into 4, 12 plus 1 divided by 4. It is 13 upon 4. And the value of 13 upon 4 is 3.25. So third value 3 and 1/4, it means 3.25, or we can write 3.1 by 4. 1 divided by 4, it is 0.25. So 3 and 0.25. Next is 0, then -1, then 2. Now we have to arrange them in ascending order. So the lowest value in these all is what? -1. Yes, it is -1. It will first. Then second value 0. Okay. Third is 0.375. Then fourth, it is 1.125. Then fifth, it is 2. And at last sixth, it is 3.25. Okay, -1, 0, 0.375, 1.125, 2, and at last 3.25. Now median, m is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 observation. N is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 6 plus 1 upon 2 observation is equal to 7 upon 2. It means 3.5 observation. Now 3.5, it will be exactly in between what? 3.5 will be exactly in between third and fourth observations. Therefore m is equal to third observation plus fourth observation divided by 2. So third observation is 1, 2, 3. So 0.375. It is the third observation. And fourth observation is 1.125. It will be divided by 2 is equal to 0.375 plus 1.125. Once again, 0.375 plus 1.125 is equal to 1.5 divided by 2. So 1.5 divided by 2, it is 0.75. It is the answer of median. It is the answer of what? Median. Now, as per another method, we will start from here. M is equal to 3.5th observation. 3.5th observation is equal to third observation plus fourth observation divided by 2. It was the first formula, and the optional formula is what? Optional formula is third observation, then plus we have to follow this 0.5, 0.5, and if you are finding median, then you will get the whole value of the observation, or you will get 5 after decimal. So third observation plus 0.5 into what? 3.5 will be in between third and fourth. So fourth observation minus third observation. Third observation is 0.375 plus 0.5. Fourth observation is 1.125 minus third is 0.375 is equal to 0.375 plus 0.5 into 1.125 minus 0.375. 0.75 is equal to 0.375 plus 0.5 into 0.75. So it will be multiplied with 0.5. And now 0.375 plus 0.375 is equal to 0.75. We got the same answer by both the method. Okay, thank you.